y'all? I hope you're all staying safe and sane out there in the world. Today I wanted to show you how to make some sauerkraut for two reasons. The first reason is because I've had this cabbage in my fridge for like a month and I need to use it. And the second reason is because I have this insanely badass 8.3-inch Issei knife from Japanese Knife Select, and I need to use it. And the best way is on this cabbage. So I like to make sauerkraut with a bit of an immunity boosting kick. Sauerkraut is really good for your gut. It's good for your gut microbiome, good bacteria, all that good stuff. Fermented food in general is just really good for your gut health. But I like to make it a little Middle Eastern style with some turmeric and ginger and some spices. And that really, really helps with our immunity, which we all need a lot of help with right now. So the whole point of massaging your cabbage is to release a lot of the water, and that's what the salt is going to help it do, is to release the water. So although it seems really tedious, massaging it is really, really key. It's the same when making kind of like a kale salad. It breaks down the cell wall of the actual vegetable so that it's much easier to palate digest, and it'll ferment way faster this way. Okay, so now that we have everything added into our sauerkraut, all the ingredients are in there, we want to massage it for 10 more minutes. So total you're going to be massaging and loving on this cabbage and carrots and onions and ginger for 20 minutes total. You can do it. Give it some love. Give it all that good energy that you want to be eating back. And yeah, don't skip this part. Oh, it smells so good. So messy. This is important. Okay, so we want to make sure that it's completely covered by the liquid, which is going to help the whole thing ferment. We're going to put it on a lid, keep it on the counter, not in the direct sunlight, for 2 to 14 days. And every single day you want to open it to release some of the pressure, which is also really important because as it ferments, it's going to build a lot of gas, which means you're going to want to release the pressure. But after 2 to 14 days, however much time you have, which lately we kind of have a lot of it, you will have sauerkraut. And just keep this in your fridge, eat it on sandwiches, with chips, in like wraps. I love to put this in like a tofu scramble, or like with kachari, or kitchery, however you say it. But either way, this is one of my favorite fermenty gut health, good immune boosting recipes. So let me know if you have any questions, and if you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe and leave us a comment.